Before we start the tutorial, I'm gonna say if you have any issues that something could make you dizzy, don't look at the screen until I actually start cutting out things, because this marble track is more disorienting than others. Just warning you. Well, anyway, so you must be here to make a plushie. Well, good thing I like making plushies because plushies are plushies. Hi, I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or I think 12th time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a wonderful, in its own way, plushie. In its own misshapen, lopsided, wonky way. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the description, grab the pattern, and print it out. Yeah. And so once you got that printed out, you're going to want to cut it out. Yes, you can look at the screen again. Yay. And then you're going to want to use those patterns to cut out the fabric pieces. For the hat piece, do 4 black and 4 purple, dark purple. For the face, do 1 light purple. For the back of the head, do 2 light purple. For the eyes, 2 black. For the mouth, 1 black. For the torso, 3 black. For the bottom, 1 black. For the cape, 1 dark purple. For the hands, 4 white. That's pretty much it. Just apply them, trace them, and then cut. So now you're gonna want to take the head panels. First thing, you see the face pieces. There's these little shape cutouts, triangles cut out. Sew those together. Sew both sides together. Sew the sides that are cut out together. Wait, well, the triangles, sew the halves together, I'm wording this poorly, you can probably see it, though. And now, attach the mouth, right here. First eye goes here. Second eye. Now take the back of the head pieces and attach them, and start attaching near the middle. Go towards the nearest end, so all the way there. Attach to the middle, so to the nearest end. Then do the same again, but leave a little gap between the two. So it's between the one you already did and the new one, so that you can invert through it later. Now you're going to want to touch both sides of the head. Have the rounded parts facing each other. You're going to want to see them in the end. Have the rounded parts face each other. And now you're going to want to invert through that little hole. If you made it too small, you can just cut it to make it bigger. Now stuff it. And close it back up. So to make the hat, you're going to want to take 2 hat panels of matching colors and attach them on the sides. And now invert it through the hole. I forgot to mention this initially. You're going to want to put 1 of 4 white moon pieces right here. And do it 3 more times. Now you're going to want to attach one. Go all the way around. Maybe stuff them too. And then another one. And another. And your last one. So to make the body, first you're going to want to grab 2 panels and connect them to each other. Then add a third. And then, like, make it so that the 2 that aren't connected to each other are connected. Like this. At the bottom, invert it. Add the cape. Stuff it and start attaching it to the head, like this. Well, 2 of them. Attach them all the way around. Before you finish, like, where the fingers would be, stop, invert it through there, stuff it, and then finish up. And then do the same for the second hand. Attach the first hand here, and the second here. And look away if you have, like, in the intro. That's that. I hope you like your Jester plushie if you made it. And normally I do a hint for the next video, and I'd say for a good hint today would be round. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. If you enjoyed the tutorial, leave a comment, like, subscribe, do whatever. And tell me any suggestions you might have. No promises I'll do them, though. But suggestions help me know if somebody actually wants something. But, so, like, you give a suggestion, might happen. And if you make it, put a community tab post on my channel about it. I'd love to see it. And if you feel like it, modify it with different colors and stuff or different accessories. I encourage it. Well, so long.